Hey y'all, Coach Cousins again with Cal Fresh Healthy Living Program. Here we are in the kitchen preparing another healthy snack. This one is my personal favorite. Make your own trail mix. As you can see, we've got a combination of things here, okay? We've got dark chocolate, low in sugar, of course. We've got walnut, no salt on our peanuts, by the way. We've got sunflower seeds, pistachios, almonds, cranberries, pretzels, and on and on and on. You can choose any combination of nuts that you like. You can even use yogurt bites to substitute for dark chocolate, but I have such a weakness for dark chocolate. So we're gonna get started, all right? I'm gonna use the spoon here. I'm gonna put tons of pressures in mine personally. There it is, the majority of them. I like for you to think about balance. About 2 tablespoons there, 2 scoops if you wanna say. There's another 2 scoops of cranberries, okay? Here come the cashews, non-salted. They can be roasted. Here are your pumpkin seeds we just put inside. All right. Pistachios on top of there. Sunflower seeds. We've got walnuts. And last but not least, ideally, you'll want something to kind of shake and stir them up with, right? I would usually put mine in a Ziploc bag and I just shake it up, right? So right now, I'm just going to shake up the bowl, okay? Give it a slight stir so that everything is distributed evenly. Nice and easy to make. You don't even need mom. No cutting involved. All it's gonna take, just get permission to go in the cabinets and start messing around with everything, you know? As simple as that. Took us 2 minutes flat. And we've got ourselves a mixed trail mix.